Hello everyone, so in this video I will teach you how to factorize like a pro. So you can hear question a square plus 5ab minus 84b square. So here we have 84. So while multiplying 84 and while subtracting 5, we need that type of factor, that type of number whose multiplication is 84 and subtraction is 5. So let's write on here 84 and divide by 2, smallest number. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So when you subtract this 242 minus 2, we will not get 5. Then we have to do once again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Still you can see here 2 into 2 4. 21 minus 4 is not equal to 5. So again we have to do, but we cannot divide by 2. So let's take 3. 3 7s are 21. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now you can see here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 7, when you subtract this 2, how much we get here? 5 we get. And when you multiply 12 into 7, we get here 84. So while multiplying we need 84 and while subtracting we need 5. So what are the numbers? 12 and 7. So we can write here a square plus, in the place of 5 we have to write 12 minus 7. Here is ab, so write on ab minus 84b square. After this, a square plus 12 into ab, write on here 12ab plus minus 7 into ab, write on here 7ab minus 84, so write on minus 84b square. Now from first two term we have to take common, from last two term we have to take common. Here is a square. A square means 2a are here. A square means a into a. So how many a are here? 2a are here and 1a is here. So we can take from here a common and the remaining is a plus this a already common. Here is 12b, so write down here 12b minus, write on minus 7 and 84. What is the common in 7 and 84? 7 and 84 common is 7. ab and b square. Here is a is not here, so we cannot take a common. Here is b and here is b square, so we can take 1b common. So what is remaining here? Here is a, so a write on. When minus is common we have to change the sign. If minus we have to write on plus, if plus we have to write on minus. 7 into which number? It will be 84. 7 into 12, 7 12s are 84. From b square means 2b are there, 1b already common, so remaining 1b. Now you can see here a plus 12b, this always we get same, and we can take common a plus 12b. And what is remaining here? A, so a minus 7b, so write on here minus 7b, which is your answer.